horses out. We have Miss Elliot past to begin. Moving up, Fairy Queen, Lim Expensive Toys, and Traditional. Miss Elliot, the leader by about 2 lengths. And in second on the outside, Fairy Queen. Down on the inside, Lim Expensive Toys. And 4 lengths away in port is Traditional. Into the turn they go, Miss Elliot by Auralenka. Lim Expensive Toys is by Darrell. Fairy Queen alongside. And 4 lengths still in port is Traditional. They swing him to the back. Miss Elliot by about 3 lengths this time. Fairy Queen now moving up to take second. Lim Expensive Toys remains in third and Traditional in fourth. Miss Elliot by about 3 lengths. Fairy Queen remains in second. Lim Expensive Toys still in third and Traditional. And it's still Miss Elliot by about 3 lengths. Fairy Queen now coming closer in second. Lim Expensive Toys, Traditional. Miss Elliot by about 2.5 lengths. Fairy Queen still in second. Traditional in third and Lim Expensive Toys now in less. As they come down at the last 200. And it's still Miss Elliot by about 5 lengths. Fairy Queen, Traditional now in second. Lim Expensive Toys, last 100 meters. And it's still Miss Elliot by about 5 lengths. And finally, Miss Elliot, second. Traditional, Lim Expensive Toys, and Fairy Queen